Okay, so today was my first day at Ecole 42, so School 42, and I wanted to do a quick video about how the day was. So, from an artist's point of view, how it is to be in a tech school. So, I just wanted to say very briefly that to Ecole 42, School 42 is a new computer school that was created by Xavier Niel, the same person who created Free in France. And so the system is completely new because the purpose of the school is for the students to learn by themselves, so there are no teachers, there's just a staff. And there aren't any lectures or anything that you'd usually have in a university. The whole place is equipped with Macs. There is, art in the place. You can sort of set your own rules. You can set your own schedule. There's a lot of group work involved. You can help other people and everything. The only thing you cannot do is copy code from the internet. So since it's a coding school, everything that you do has to be created by you. So you can help each other, but you can't just copy paste. And so today was my first day in that school after having taken the test. There was a month-long test. It was like a boot camp where we had exercises every day. So the average workday was about 15 hours. Exercises, we had to correct other people on the exercises, and we had group work as well as exams. Oh, and we had special projects every once in a while. So the first day was not like the test. The test was really intense, but the first day we got to sign up to the newest projects that they just built, which means that the newest project, sorry, that they just posted. So whenever they post a project, you have to sign up for it. So we got to sign up for the first projects, and they're basically supposed to be done over about 2 weeks. So the first project that we had was we have to construct a library. So it's a bit what we did during the test. During the test, we had to follow a norm, which means that like we couldn't actually code the way that we couldn't code any old way. We had to follow a procedure. So there was a set of rules that we have to respect, etc., etc. So the norm is still there, but it's a little bit more relaxed than it was in the very beginning. And we're going to be working on that project for about a week. And the great thing is that they really reinforce the sense of group work, because to be able to get to the second project, you actually, enough people have had to succeeded at the first project. So you can't get to the second project if people aren't doing well on the first one. So you have to help other people, which is actually really good. And that's where, if we were to mix that in the art world, if for example, in, let's say, in art school or things like that, if a certain amount of students are stuck, then if the whole group can't advance, then that would really help people make progress, because it would force people to have a sense of community and to actually help each other out. So that's a really actually good idea. And it's funny that that would happen in the tech industry. Actually, I mean, it's not like, you do have to work in groups and everything, but it's not what you, from an outsider's point of view, you wouldn't actually think that it would work. It would actually work that way. They would be like, there would be so much solidarity, but there actually is. And so that's really amazing. And so that was basically during the first day. We like spent hours just trying to code some of the functions that we had done during the test. So personally, during a lot of the times, I was just trying to remember exactly how the test had gone, and how to and trying to actually remember the notions that I'd learned because I'd forgotten a lot of it. But it was good practice in a way, so I'm hoping that tomorrow will go a little bit faster because I was able to code something successfully, but not a ton. Really, not that much at all. So I really am hoping that tomorrow will, like, I'll be able to pick up the pace a little and they'll go a little bit quicker. So that was how today was, and hopefully I'll be able to do a video around the end of the week or something, describing a bit more in detail and seeing how, like, after several days, how things are and everything. Alright, so see you then.